Welcome to Learn English by Listening. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He is eating an apple. He is eating an apple. The dog is sleeping. The dog is sleeping. They are playing soccer. They are playing soccer. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The cat is drinking milk. The cat is drinking milk. We are at the park. We are at the park. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. I am riding a bike. I am riding a bike. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. He is playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar. They are watching TV. They are watching TV. The children are playing with toys. The children are playing with toys. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. The car is moving. The car is moving. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. He is jumping on the bed. He is jumping on the bed. The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming. We are having lunch. We are having lunch. The flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. I am walking in the street. I am walking in the street. He is eating pizza. He is eating pizza. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. They are playing basketball. They are playing basketball. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. The baby is laughing. The baby is laughing. She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. I am studying English. I am studying English. The children are reading books. The children are reading books. We are cooking lunch. We are cooking lunch. The boy is running fast. The boy is running fast. The dog is playing with a ball. The dog is playing with a ball. She is cleaning the house. She is cleaning the house. He is drinking coffee. He is drinking coffee. They are sitting on the bench. They are sitting on the bench. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. We are riding horses. We are riding horses. He is swimming in the pool. He is swimming in the pool. She is feeding the fish. She is feeding the fish. The cat is chasing a mouse. The cat is chasing a mouse. I am playing the piano. I am playing the piano. They are writing a letter. They are writing a letter. The teacher is explaining the lesson. The teacher is explaining the lesson. I am playing with my dog. I am playing with my dog. He is taking a nap. He is taking a nap. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. We are eating ice cream. We are eating ice cream. They are walking in the park. They are walking in the park. The children are drawing pictures. The children are drawing pictures. I am playing chess. I am playing chess. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.